stacking. If you don't know what dice stacking is, it's where you line 4 dice up and then you use centrifugal force so that you can go this and go to the back of the cup. And keep doing it and keep stacking up on each other in the back of the cup. They come there and they should be stacked. The first step for dice stacking is you line 4 dice up in a line. And this is what the motion is. That's what the motion is, like this. So when you're going to hit the dice square right there, then you're going to come scoot it back. You're going to come, once you hit it there, you're going to come back, and then it should go to the back of the cup. And then you're going to keep that motion. Then you come there, and you lift the cup up slowly, and they should be stacked. Once you've mastered the 4 stack like this, now you can move on to something called a point stack, where you can stack dice on dice or an other object. So this is what a point stack looks like. That's what a point stack should look like. And also, this is probably the most main question I get. Are the dice magnetic? No, the dice are not magnetic. Or is the cup magnetic? No, the cup is not magnetic. All it is hard plastic. It's a Yahtzee cup. Another question I get is, what dice do I use? I use casino dice because, in my opinion, they're just better for point stacks because they're all the same size. Dice stacking takes a long time to learn. It took me a year to learn. So don't get frustrated if you miss. See, even I missed. See, even I missed, guys. Here's a 16 stack. See more dice stacking videos or other trick shots, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications also. Peace.